Hi, this is Eric Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lid lock assembly on your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new lid lock assembly for your Whirlpool washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The lid lock assembly is responsible for locking the lid of the washer while it is in use. If the lid lock assembly is broken or damaged, it may not lock into position or may not lock at all. This can cause the washer to not open or not to function. For this repair, disconnect power and water to the washer. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove these 5 screws on the back of the washer. Open the washer's lid. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently depress the hinge on the right side of the washer as you lift the lid. Then slide the lid to the right as you lift to remove it. 2 clips hold the console assembly to the washer. Looking through the slot that the door sits in, depress one of them using a flathead screwdriver while lifting on the console to free that side. Then repeat the process with the other clip. Next, lift the console assembly and rotate the top forward, being careful as it is still connected by an electrical connector. Then disconnect the encoder boards. Then disconnect the lid lock assembly from the main control board. Then, using a pair of needle nose pliers, pinch the retaining tabs and free the assembly from the top panel. Next, place some tape here to avoid scratching the frame of the washer when removing the lid. Insert a putty knife between the top panel and the cabinet here. Next, gently slide the top panel forward just far enough so that the top panel is beyond the retainer. Here's the tab on the top panel that you are trying to lift so it does not get caught on this retaining tab. Then repeat the process on the front left side. Then lift the top panel and rotate it upwards. Align the slots on the back edge of the top panel to the tabs sitting on the edge of the back of the washer. Use a small chain or S-clips to hold the top upright. Depressing these retaining tabs, remove the lid lock bezel. The lid lock assembly is held in place by one retaining tab here. Depress the retaining tab and remove the lid lock assembly. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, gently pry the retaining tabs to remove the lid lock assembly from the top panel. If you need to purchase a new lid lock assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the lid lock assembly to the top panel and press it into place. Then, bend the cable and run it along the top panel. Using a flathead screwdriver, place the wire behind the two retaining clips. Next, pass it through the slot in the top panel and press the retainer into place. Align the lid lock bezel to the top panel and press to secure it into place. Next, remove the cable or chain that you have holding the top panel in place and set it back into position. Next, slide it back till it latches back into place. Then, connect the lid lock assembly to the main control board. Then, connect the encoder board to the main control board. Next, align the console to the washer and push into place. Next, align the hinge on the lid to the slot on the washer. Then, depress the hinge on the right side and slide the lid into place. Then, on the back of the washer, reinstall the 6 screws. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.